So we were discussing some basic information that the diverse group, this is non-retentate, 1 gram of lipid which contain 9 kilocalories. But if you'll see protein and carbohydrate, they only store 4 kilocalories, so the lipid contain more. And you will see if it contain more, but that is not very much beneficial because this comes in a fat which means cholesterol which is the animal source, not animal source, but it's an animal storing component. In plant you'll see starch, so in animal it would be cholesterol. So cholesterol is simply it will also enhance the disease, uh, cardiovascular disease like heart disease, which means if you are eating more fat, because if it contain more energy, this means it has more fat. So if you see any blood vessel like this, you will see here your cholesterol would be consumed. So you will see that this path where blood is going to the heart would be a little narrower, like it will become very thin like this. So that's why we just say we are not supposed to eat out of the like budget or out of the body needs. So just that's a concept. So everything would be eaten in a particular amount because lipid is one of the most diverse group and stores more energy as compared to the biomolecule. And in this, if we talk about the composition, this have carbon, hydrogen in very specifically in very good amount, but you will see oxygen as well. So this is also an MCQs from past paper, that which one is most, like which one is very less in the lipid structure. So that would be oxygen, because oxygen is present in a little less amount as compared to other biomolecule, other elements. So one more thing here, you will see that this is hydrophobic, and I have discussed hydrophobic, hydrophilic, a basic concept in first video, which means hydrophobic, it's an not uh, insoluble, not loving water or something, because philic, which means it's water loving, this would be water repelling. Okay, this is insoluble, and this is also non-polar. This is the non-polar. And you will see that this is an organic compound. Like an organic compound, you will see it is insoluble. Organic compound, this is soluble, but in insoluble you will see these are not soluble. Like in alcohol it could be soluble, but in fat or any, not fat but the oil, water and oil can never together like dissolve. So this was the structure. Then you see, if you talk about the other classification, you will see three main types. We have simple, then we have conjugated lipids, and you will see another type. And the third group is dried group. These are the dried. So what exactly these are? So let me just move slide and bring a good color. So simple, which are composed or divided into two more. First is true fats. Second is waxes. Okay, then we talk about the conjugated. This is lipid. Lipid plus X, which means it you can be adding anything. Now anything would be phospholipid. This could be lipoprotein, glycolipid, chromolipid, and a lot of things. Okay, if you've gotten, then in dried group you will see steroids, and one more part, that is prostaglandins.